Hello everyone, greetings from Carecufile.com. Today's vehicle is a 2005 BMW 1 Series E87 120D. This vehicle has 163 horsepower. We will be performing a Stage 1 tuning on this vehicle. The first step is to connect our diagnostic scanner and confirm there are no faults in the car. Before we start tuning, we run a quick diagnostic to make sure the vehicle is completely healthy. Before we start tuning, we run a quick diagnostic to make sure the vehicle is completely healthy. Connection complete. Everything is ready. After the ECU reading is complete, we go to Carecufile.com and upload our file through the panel. Make sure that all the information is entered correctly. Now, let's drag and drop our file into the system. Then, simply tick the necessary boxes before submitting. Alright, now let's wait for our file to arrive. We never rush this process, because Carecufile.com always delivers fast, reliable, and professionally prepared files, usually within 25 to 30 minutes. Perfect. Our file has been delivered. Now, let's download it. We're flashing the modified file back into the ECU. File writing finished without any errors. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.